Hello guys, good morning. Today we're gonna deliver some plants to Haniway, Iloilo. So these are orchids and dendrobiums, and this one is vandas. Right, we're on our way to Haniway, Iloilo to deliver some plants. Whoa! Look at the view on this. Whoa! We're here in Melrose Inland Resort. A lot of people. There's a lot of people swimming in the swimming pool. Right over there. Look at that. There's a big swimming pool. At the left it says a mini swimming pool. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. That's completely cool. See? There's some music. The left there's a mini swimming pool right over there. Right over there. That there's a slide. Slide. See that? There's a swimming pool. Look at that. There's a big slide. Whoa. That's epic. See that? There's a lot of people enjoying the swimming pool. And the kids were enjoying the swimming pool. There's the kids' swimming pool over there. We're gonna go there. Look at this. There's a shower of mushrooms. See that? That's epic. That's the kids' swimming pool right over there. Look at this. Look at that. That's cool. Look. It has a slide. Should I post?